Avocado, often referred to as a superfood, has become a staple in kitchens worldwide. Its creamy texture, mild flavor, and versatility make it a popular ingredient in countless dishes. Beyond its culinary appeal, avocado is a nutritional powerhouse packed with health benefits. Let's delve into the incredible advantages of incorporating avocados into your diet and why this fruit deserves its place in your daily meals. Number 1. Nutrient-rich superfood. Avocados are incredibly nutrient-dense, offering an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. A single serving is rich in vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and promoting cellular repair. The fruit is also a good source of lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids, which contribute to its status as a superfood. Unlike many other fruits, avocados are low in sugar and high in healthy fats, making them an excellent choice for balanced nutrition. Number 2. Heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Avocados can play a significant role in maintaining cardiovascular health. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Moreover, avocados contain potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the diet. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, and consuming potassium-rich foods like avocados can help keep it in check. Number 3. Improved digestion. Avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with about 10 grams per fruit, depending on the size. Fiber is essential for digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can support a well-functioning digestive system and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Number 4. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense due to their fat content, avocados can actually aid in weight management. The healthy fats in avocados provide a sense of satiety, keeping you feeling full for longer periods. This can reduce overall calorie intake and help prevent overeating. Additionally, the fiber content in avocados further enhances feelings of fullness and supports steady energy levels, making it easier to stick to a balanced diet. Number 5. Skin and hair health. The high levels of vitamins E and C in avocados are essential for healthy skin and hair. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, protects the skin from oxidative damage caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV radiation. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. Applying avocado oil or pulp topically can also moisturize and nourish the skin, making it a popular ingredient in natural beauty products. Number 6. Eye health. Avocados are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for eye health. These compounds protect the eyes from harmful UV light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Including avocados in your diet can help maintain good vision and protect your eyes as you age. Number 7. Blood sugar regulation. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados make them an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Unlike high-carb foods, avocados have a low glycemic index and do not cause spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes them an ideal food for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. By incorporating avocados into meals, you can enjoy steady energy levels and better control over your blood sugar. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune conditions. The monounsaturated fats in avocados, particularly oleic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, the antioxidants and phytochemicals in avocados further combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to inflammation. Number 9. Enhanced nutrient absorption. One unique benefit of avocados is their ability to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. Adding avocado to meals that contain these nutrients helps your body absorb them more effectively. For instance, pairing avocado with a salad of leafy greens or carrots can significantly boost your intake of vitamins and antioxidants, maximizing the health benefits of your meal. Number 10. Brain health and cognitive function. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are not only good for the heart but also beneficial for the brain. Healthy fats are essential for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. Avocados also contain folate, which plays a key role in preventing cognitive decline and supporting memory. Regular consumption of avocados has been linked to improved mental clarity, focus, and even a reduced risk of depression, thanks to their high levels of folate and vitamin B6. Number 11. Bone strength. Avocados contain nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin K, in particular, plays a critical role in bone metabolism and helps improve calcium absorption. Adding avocados to your diet can support bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially as you age. Number 12. Detoxification support. The fiber in avocados aids in detoxification by promoting regular bowel movements and the elimination of waste from the body. The fruit also contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver function and helps neutralize harmful toxins. By including avocados in your diet, you can support your body's natural detox processes and maintain overall health. Number 13. Reduced risk of cancer. Some studies suggest that the compounds in avocados, such as carotenoids and phytochemicals, may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. These compounds have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote the death of damaged cells without affecting healthy ones. While more research is needed, incorporating avocados into a balanced diet may offer protective benefits against cancer. One of the greatest things about avocados is how easy they are to include in your diet. Whether you add slices to your toast, blend them into smoothies, or use them as a base for creamy sauces, avocados can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of almost any dish. Their versatility makes it simple to enjoy their numerous health benefits daily. Avocados are much more than a trendy food item. Their impressive nutrient profile and extensive health benefits make them a valuable addition to any diet. From improving heart health and aiding in digestion to supporting weight management and enhancing brain function, avocados offer a range of advantages that promote overall well-being. Incorporate this superfood into your meals and experience the transformative effects it can have on your health. Whether you enjoy it mashed on toast, as guacamole, or in a salad, avocados are a delicious and nutritious way to elevate your diet and support a healthier lifestyle.